Ahmed has in mind is a new version of colonization of other people's territories, in particular ours. Hassan Sheikh and his team have created to keep an eagle's eye on the corruption in terms of public land sales for private gain, that potential and pretentious dictators like ours can be brought to the book, that the Somali people in the African continent have pioneered. And that is the longest liberation war in Africa for 22 years to the African community, the African Union, and the international community. The African Union understands that the last colony in this continent was the Republic of South Africa under apartheid, 1994, when President Nelson Mandela and the ANC defeated the apartheiders. That was the last colony. What Abiy Ahmed has in mind is a new version of colonization of other people's territories, in particular ours. And consequently, we will tell the African Union and the international community the era of colonialism is over. And I want to remind them one historic incident that the Somali people in the African continent have pioneered. And that is the longest liberation war in Africa for 22 years was against the British and the Italians in this country from 1899 to 1921. We are a peaceful people, but we are prepared to defend our dignity, our integrity, and the inheritance of our children. Fake elections in Africa in particular, but also elsewhere in the so-called third world, fake elections have always produced disasters, either political disasters or civil disasters. We remember the 2007 election in Kenya, where a large number of people were massacred. We remember the elections where leaders get 99% of the vote, including Ethiopia itself, in 2005 and most recently in 2019. We want to urge the international community, therefore, that the Somali people are determined